spill this already spilled juice and get into some soapy slash telenovela stories. So guys, it has been rumored that Umuvango is cancelled, right? And we're like, Nkosi yami, they're gonna come now with Mubango Light or Mubango the Legacy or whatnot. But Khopolo has an update. So Khopolo reports, breaking, Muvango not cancelled. The SABC soapy has not been cancelled, and I can confirm that the show is still in talks with the broadcaster. As I reported, the production had to shut down due to delays on contract for new season. This is a developing situation and will share when finalized. But by all accounts, the show will continue. So, guys, we're still going to see Bo Azwindini. We're still going to see. Okay, I don't watch Mubango anymore. Mina, I've got a little heart. I left Mubango back when Tandazo was supposed to marry somebody there and he couldn't marry somebody that she loves. So I was like, no, done for me. But if you are a Mubango lover, know that they are coming back with a bang. Do like, share, and subscribe.